What is income tax notice under section 148? If you got this notice or you got a notice under this section, you might be searching this on a Google, and if you landed on this YouTube video, then you are on right page. Hi, I am CA Arun Tiwari. I handle tax litigation related to income tax and GST, and I have more than 7 years of experience and handle more than 55 to 100 cases about small to big in these cases. So I think I qualify to answer this question, and I will try to be very non-technical, and I will like to answer in simple word. So if you got a notice under section 148, what is the reason and why you can how you can handle? So basically, notice under section 148 is most common notice issued in by the income tax department. Second important, is it serious? Yes, it is very serious. It's basically called a reassessment notice, which is issued under section 170, 147 also. So reassessment means once your assessment has been done by income tax department, now after maybe 2-3 years, the department is realizing that something big has been missed out, and now they want to do the assessment again. So if you got this notice under section 148, please kindly don't take it lightly, because here something very big thing has come into picture. Now you understand the gravity of matter, that for issuing a reassessment you can say notice, an income tax officer has to seek a, you can say a permission from the commissioner, and commissioner also double check that they are not unnecessarily harassing an income tax you can say payer. So it is something where they can get a big tax, only then they are going to touch this section. So if you receive this 147, be very you can say understand that you need a professional CA firm like us, because then you have to really check and really reply properly that whatever they are feeling or whatever the wrong information or right information they got about you, you have to provide supporting documents for that. So first thing, you understand 148 is very serious and you have to reply it properly. Don't take it lightly, because the penalty provision is very bad in this section. Second important part, if you got it, only thing you have to do, if you have filed the return, you have to provide your income tax return supporting documents to your chartered accountant or to any professional firm. So we also handle this. If you got something like that, then you can approach us. You can seek a consulting also, review also. This is 500 rupees only, and after that, if you feel that yes, we are qualified, we have experience, then you can hand over your work and we can handle. So first thing, nothing to stress about, but yes, there is something which you have to be careful while replying these notices under section 148. So in case of reassessment, if you have already filed the return, then generally they ask you to submit all the information, all the documents on the basis of which you have filed the return, and they want to check it again. Okay, in case you have not filed the return, then first thing you have to do, you have to file a return under this notice, and then after that they will start the procedure of reassessment. So after reassessment, they will pass a assessment order, in which if they find something, they will ask you to pay you additional tax and maybe penalty also. If they don't find anything, that matter is generally going to be closed without any tax payment. So the next step is basically to understand why this notice has issued, what is the root cause, what is the reason, what kind of information they got it which is not matching with your income tax return or with your lifestyle or with your income. And then after understanding the root cause, you have to reply accordingly with the proper documents and supporting. So if somebody is handling this on daily basis, it is not a very big thing, but yes, if I recommend, do it yourself should be avoided in case of this notice. So hope most of things is properly answered, that how you should handle. Do it yourself is not recommended in that case, because it is something a very serious kind of matter. Okay, and just hire a proper CA firm who has expertise in that. Now I want to tell you, and I think most of people will agree also, tax notice reply litigation handling is a very specialized area. So like everybody will not do. Now in India there is a very bad thing, that even if you go to a mechanic and you will ask that whether you can repair a you can say a spacecraft, he will agree. So the same thing happens most of time, that people approach wrong person and they get a wrong like they reply in a really very screwed up manner, and then they end up paying more taxes and more penalties. So this should be avoided. So hope the answer for this question is done. If you have more queries about this, you can put as a comment section. If you have some personal queries, then you can send a mail. The mail is given in the description, and if you want to consult me, there's some 500 rupees fees. We can consult and I can give you the further guidance, or my team will guide you that how you can going to handle this notice going forward. So that's all in this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.